Hello, my name is Rachel Katuno, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to build an API. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a health and recipe API using Node.js, Express, MongoDB, and Swag documentation. So as you can see my screen, where I already showed you, is that you can see how I framed everything on my screen. I have already worked on this code, so I'm just going to get you through it and you know more about it. So by the end of this tutorial, you will know how a REST API that can create, retrieve, update, and delete information from a database, or which we call the CRUD, CRUD. So we will also document our API using Swag, as you can see, this Swag. So everything is organized and easy to test. Let's jump in. The first thing we need is the Node.js project. And this one I have already created the project folder and initiated it. Now, as you can see here, now let's go, or let's look at the project, the how the project looks, or the structure of the project. So inside the project, I have several folders and files. I have the controller, I have the modules, I have the routes, I have the server.js, I have the swag.js, I have the swag output, and the .env. So each part has its own purpose. The models define the structure of our data. These controllers, let me first click on it. These controllers contain the application logic. Then the routes, they handle the endpoints users handle the endpoints the user interact with. This server dot, let me get it here. So this code for the server.js connects everything together. This is like the, yeah, as you can hear, that it's the server. It's the one which can connect everything. So if it's not here, all these can't connect. So for this project, I created two collections inside MongoDB. So for MongoDB, I don't know if you can see my screen. This is how MongoDB looks. Those who didn't know about it, this is how MongoDB is. So this MongoDB, the first collection can be received like, okay, let me say like, this is where all the base. Okay, it's what I used for my database. Or in simple terms, which I can say that where I collect all information I'm trying to build in my application. So here you can see how this is structured. All this is where I connect from and where I know how to deal with it, to deal with all the information I go with. Let me first get there. It's still loading. I'll come back. So the thing is, we get this. We first get, since this is the server, we get it to be like calling the real, how can I say, calling the live host, and then even calling the local host. This is the callbacks. These are the virtual links, but this one is the local host, which I use on my PC. And this one is the live host, which I can paste I can paste to you or send to you, and then you see my project. So that's how it is. So, um, in .env, it's where the sensitive information should never be like hard coded directly into the project. So we never show .env on our screen because it's like it's secret. It's ours. We never show it. I'm going to just go through it. I'm not going to go too deep into it. This is like the first part, so I will have to do the next part to show you how the database is fetched from MongoDB and how I put in my, okay, like how I can run my 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 website to show those APIs, to fetch all the data, to put in to do all the CRUD so that I can create, I can read, I can update, and I can delete. And you can see that. So be tuned in for the next part. Yeah, thanks for watching. And if you want to see the next video, like, subscribe. Let's meet again in the next video. Thank you.